This Appalachian Real Estate property video is presented by Stacy Hyatt. Come escape to the Smoky Mountains on this gentle rolling 3.16-acre lot in the gated community of Brush Creek Properties. This community offers year-round access as one of the few developments to offer snow removal. Convenient for a year-round residence or second home. Light deed restrictions are in place to ensure the beauty and peacefulness of this area. This lot has a beautiful rock wall at the entrance of the driveway. The flat to rolling lot offers plenty of room for house site, garage, and yard. A nice stream runs along the westerly boundary. Plenty of mature trees for shade. Very quiet and peaceful place. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Hyatt at 828-736-27.